2016 Grand Design Momentum 376th for sale in Newfield, New York 14867. Get ready for your next adventure with this 2016 Grand Design Momentum 376th. This luxury toy hauler is 41.25 feet in length and features a charming floor plan that can comfortably accommodate up to 6 guests. It has been outfitted with 5 slide-outs, 2 awnings and automatic leveling jacks. This impressive toy hauler has been very well maintained, which has enabled its great condition. This 2016 Grand Design Momentum 376th toy hauler RV is perfect for anyone who appreciates a quality residential living experience right on the campsite. With top-of-the-line amenities and luxury appointments throughout, you can easily make this spacious toy hauler your next home away from home. It comes with exceptional options and features that offer the ideal combination of comfort and convenience. Highlights of these advantages include great cooking area, 3-burner stove, oven and microwave side-by-side refrigerator/freezer, double kitchen sink, dinette raised front living room, FireplaceFour televisions, throughoutSurround SoundDVD/CD/StereoTwo pull-out couches, heated theater seating, large bathroom with shower, toilet, sink and Medcine CabinetMaster, queen bed, master closet/DresserGeneratorOutside kitchen, and so much more. This 2016 Grand Design Momentum 376th is the ideal setup for anyone looking to make their traveling dreams come true. Perfect for anyone looking to create lasting memories with loved ones and friends. Don't miss out on this amazing opportunity to truly cherish your RV experiences. This toy hauler is priced well below its true value, so call today for more information on how this incredible 2016 Grand Design Momentum 376th can be yours.